How to create a project in Claude Code. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can create a project in your Claude. So in order to start, first let's learn what projects actually are in Claude and how they are different from regular chats. So when you hear about projects, it sounds like a broad category, but in reality, projects are a very simple structure. So basically the Claude projects are dedicated workspaces in Claude AI that allows users to organize chats, upload relevant documents, and define custom instructions for specific tasks, providing up to a 200,000 context window. So they enable persistent context across all sessions, thus improving collaboration and AI output accuracy by letting Claude act as a specialized assistant for particular projects. So let us learn how you can create project in Claude. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is launch your Claude, and then you will need to click onto this option or this button that you see over the left hand side, which stands for the projects. So click onto this button, and from here you can see that I have already created a project for a particular client. And now if I wish to create for a new project, I'm going to simply click onto this new project. Now from here I'm going to type in what I am working on. So here I will be typing in the name of the project. So for example, let's say test project, and then from here I will be defining what I will be doing. Then I will simply click onto this create project, and voila, you can see that our project has been successfully created. Now you can move chats onto this particular project or simply type in as well. You can also load skills to this project as well. So if you wish to add any instructions, you can add it from here by clicking on edit instructions. To add any relevant files to your project within the scope, you can simply click onto this add files option, so that whenever you are inside your project, these files can be fetched easily. So that's how easily you can initiate a project in Claude. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.